Hello guys, on this video I will show you how to download Jailbreak on iOS 15.2 without computer. Before the start the video, I hope you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Link to this website is below the video in the first comment. We press Unc0ver and now we click on download. Now on this page you have to download two applications on the phone from this page, and you have to enter the application 13 seconds and then you can download Jailbreak on your device. And the app you downloading you can delete it after completing 13 seconds. I'm gonna complete the offer and go back to you.
Real quick, I'ma pull up with my shake, hey, whip on ice, got myself a couple chips, hey, move so fast, I'ma hit you with the stick, I'ma make a couple racks, and you steady hitting licks, hey, nose, I'll be selling out shows, see my name up in arenas, filling seats up by the roads, no shit, yeah, I don't got time for no thought ass bitch, yeah, I just want you shotgun with the clip, real quick, I'ma pull up with my shake, hey, whip on ice, got myself a couple chips, hey, move so fast, I'ma hit you with the stick, I'ma make a couple racks, and you steady hitting licks, hey, nose, I'll be selling out shows, see my name up in arenas, filling seats up by the roads, no shit, yeah, I don't got time for no thought ass bitch, yeah, I just want you shotgun, goddamn, I don't fault with no, while they're ringing on my line, I'll be steady with the bros, broke boys sending shots while they tipping on their toes, while they...
After completing the offer, you can see Cydia is downloading in your phone automatically, and now you can see Cydia is on your phone